Hello again. This is just a supplementary video showing a quick demonstration of the water test for the newly reassembled 1935 Maytag Wringer washer at the BC Farm Museum in Langley, British Columbia. The previous video showed it still only partially reassembled. It is now completely reassembled. The last finishing touch will be the application of the decals that are on order. So here's a quick shot of the washing action. Just shift it into gear here. And it's watertight and operating smoothly and quietly, as you can tell. And then the next and probably the final video will show it completely finished with the decals having been applied. Thanks for watching.